Welcome to today's episode, and I'm Dr. Annie Chawla, the Managing Director at Immigrate.ai. And today's episode is extremely special because I have a very, very special guest here with me. Manisha, it is such a pleasure to have you here today. First and foremost, congratulations on securing your permanent residency in Canada. I know this has been an incredible journey for you and your family. How are you feeling at this point?
Hi Annie, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm beyond thrilled. It honestly feels like a dream come true. The journey has been challenging, filled with excitement and much learning too. But looking back, I won't change the thing. I'm incredibly grateful to you and your team, Immigrate.ai, for being there every step of the way. Achieving PR in a less than a year, it's an incredible, can't thank you enough.
That's so heartwarming to hear, Manisha. We're truly honored to have played a role in your success. So, I want to rewind a little bit and can you take us through your journey? What has inspired you to start such a wonderful initiative, Kindling Technologies? What was the driving force behind this venture?
Yeah, absolutely. My background has always been centered around the education and child development. With over 14 years of experience as a teacher and tutor, I work closely with the students, parents, and communities to create positive environments for learning. When I moved into the role as the Chief Operating Officer of Kindling Technology, I saw an opportunity to address pressing issues how immigrant parents in Canada struggle to raise their children in the way they blend cultural heritage with the Canadian values. Many parents feel lost, unsure, and searching balance between the world while ensuring children development and strong sense of identity and belonging.
This is such an insightful and impactful mission, right? And bridging cultural gaps while fostering inclusion is so important. And I love how your business is using technology to create meaningful change. Given your extensive experience in education, you mentioned you worked with a lot of students and teachers. How has that background influenced your leadership at Kindling Technologies?
Yeah, my years as an educator taught me how to connect with people, how to create structural learning environment for children. Most importantly, how to understand unique needs of families and children. These skills have been individually in my role as a COO. I oversee strategic planning, operations, financial management, performance management at for Kindling. Running a startup is a little bit different in a classroom, being a classroom, but the core principle remain the same: problem solving, communication, and the strong commitment to making a difference. I have applied everything I learned as an educator to create solutions that genuinely help immigrant families adapt to Canadian life.
Wow, that's truly inspiring. And now transitioning from being an entrepreneur to officially becoming a permanent resident, how does that feel? What are you most excited about as you prepare to land in Canada? And I really want to know, when are you guys planning to come to Canada?
Yeah, definitely. Most probably in May end or June starting. I honestly can't put it into the words. It's a mix of joy, relief, and overwhelming sense of gratitude. Canada has always felt like a right place for me as a personally or professionally. I'm most excited about expanding Kindling technology, connecting with immigrant parents, and contributing to the community. Knowing that I can now build my business with stability and long term vision give me immense confidence. And of course, I'm looking forward to experience all that Canada has to offer, from its meticulously society to its thriving startup ecosystem.
That's fantastic. The startup visa process is rigorous and requires strategic planning. Looking back at your experience, how would you describe the process of working with us with Immigrate.ai?
Genuinely, I don't even know where the beginning. From the very first consultation, I knew I am in the best hand. Your expertise, your team's meticulously attend attention to in detailing, and the structure approach you follow made all the difference. The SUV process is complex. There are countless documentation, legal intricacies, and business validations involved. But with Immigrate.ai, I never felt lost. You guide me through every stage from securing a letter of support to preparing my PR application flawlessly. Your team ensured that no stone was left unturned. But because of that, I was able to get my permanent residency in record time. I have spoken to many startup founders, and I always tell them if you are serious about your PR journey, Immigrate.ai is the only choice. There is no one else I would trust with this process.
That means the world to us, Manisha. Our goal is always to ensure that entrepreneurs like you can focus on your business while we take care of the complexities of filing and immigration. If you have had to give advice to other startup founders who are considering the SUV program, what would that be?
Yeah, my biggest advice is to don't go at it alone because the process might seem straightforward on the paper, but in reality, there are so many moving parts. Having an expert team like Immigrate.ai makes all the difference. You need people who understand both the business and the immigration aspect inside out. Also, make sure your startup is solving a real problem. The SUV program is about innovation and impact. So it's crucial to demonstrate how your business is making a difference from other business. And lastly, be patient and proactive. Trust the process, but also stay engaged.
Thank you
If you
so
are think-
much. Go ahead.
if you are thinking about applying, don't hesitate. Work with Dr. Annie and Immigrate.ai team.
That's excellent advice, Manisha. It has been absolute pleasure working with you. I have no doubt that Kindling Technologies is going to thrive in Canada, and I can't wait to see all the incredible things you guys will accomplish.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Annie, for your support and further information. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here, Manisha. And to all our listeners, if you're thinking of pursuing the startup visa program, you're in the process and you're confused, you're overwhelmed about the complexities of the program, please get in touch with me directly at Annie@Immigrate.ai, and our team at Immigrate.ai will be happy to help you. Thank you so much again, Manisha, for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
until next time, take care, everybody. Bye bye.
Bye bye.